is the backward classes, and there was an interim report by the backward class, and according to that we have taken a decision, and we have only got two classes now, more backward and most backward, and this has come from 2B where religious minorities were holding it, but as per constitution and judgment of judgment of Andhra Pradesh, we have shifted them to EWS, economically weaker section, and this 4% has been distributed, and this now they will be shifted to 10% pool, economically weaker section pool.
Government issue such unilateral decisions. We have to approach the one thing is we have to approach the court of law. The second thing, we have to approach the backward classes commission also, because clearly the Indra Sahni and Union of India judgment says that whether if you want to remove any of the communities or you have to add the communities, you have to take the recommendation from the backward classes commission. There is no such thing happened here. They have not taken any recommendation from the backward classes commission. That is the first thing. And the other thing is, Muslim community is considered as socially and educationally backward, not the economically backwardness. When the socially and economically backward community, how can you change their status from the socially educationally backwardness to the economically backwardness? That is wrong. Because since from 1918, Muslim community has been considered as backward classes, not the religious minority. It may be religious minority, but they comes under backward classes because of their social background, educational background. This has to be considered. And they were saying it will be accommodated in EWS. How can you accommodate them in the EWS? Because EWS only meant for economically weaker sections, not the socially and educationally backward communities, because it won't fit there. That is the main problem here. The another thing is, they haven't taken any recommendation from the backward classes commission, as the Indra Sahni judgment says. And if you want to change the commission, if you want to change the classification, means you need to have the empirical data, and you need to have the secondary source of information, and ethnographical study you need. And all these things is not happened there. There is no data at all. Simply, they were unilaterally, malafidely, they have did this. This is unfair, and it is against the natural justice.